In this video, I'll guide you through how to add images in GoDaddy Website Builder. Whether you're creating a brand new site or updating an existing page, adding images is one of the easiest ways to make your website feel more professional and inviting. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own editor. First, make sure you're in the Website Builder editor with the page you want to work on open. You should see your existing sections stacked vertically down the page like banners, text blocks, contact forms, or other content. To add a new image section, move your mouse between two existing sections on the page. As you hover in that space, look for a blue button that appears labeled Add Section, sometimes with a plus sign next to it. When you see that blue Add Section button, go ahead and click it. This tells the builder you want to insert something new right in that spot. After you click Add Section, a panel or sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. This is where you choose the type of section you want to add. In the search box at the top of that sidebar, type the word image if you want to focus specifically on image-related layouts, or type content if you'd like to see a wider variety of designs that include both text and images. As you type, the builder will filter the available layouts to match what you're searching for. Take a moment to scroll through the results you see. You'll notice different layout options such as Image Gallery, Content with Image, and Big Hero. Image Gallery is great if you want to showcase multiple photos, like a portfolio, products, or event pictures all in one place. Content with Image is useful when you want a mix of text and a single image side by side, for example, an About section with a photo next to your description. Big Hero is designed for a large, eye-catching image at the top or a key area of your page, perfect for a main banner or a strong visual statement. Click on the layout style that best fits what you're trying to do. You'll often see a small preview so you can imagine how it will look on your site. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always change or adjust it later. Once you've chosen your layout, click the Add button. The builder will insert that new section into your page exactly where you originally clicked between those two sections. You should now see the new image-based section appear in your page preview. From here, you can click directly on the placeholder images or text to replace them with your own photos and content, adjust the settings, and fine-tune the design. And that's all there is to it. By hovering between sections, using the Add Section button, searching for image or content, choosing a layout, and clicking Add, you can quickly build visually engaging pages in GoDaddy Website Builder.